welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Challenger Lifts Light Bar Kit, which features two 27-inch LED light bars that offer up to 45 hours operation at 100 lumens or 6 hours at 1,000 lumens. Next is the M12 fueled quarter-inch right-angle die grinder from Milwaukee Tool, which is a cordless die grinder designed to provide greater mobility and accessibility to help fit in tight places without giving up on performance. Our third tool is Calvan Tools' 6-piece diesel injector line socket set. This set features a flex head function that allows the user to apply leverage and access fasteners at different angles. The next tool is the CTA Tools' mini bearing separator toolkit, which is ideal for moving small bearings, gears, wheels, pulleys, steering pumps, and alternators from shafts. Finally, our last tool is the SD39 SD Consultant from Innova Electronics, which is designed for those who want diagnostic capabilities in a compact format without moving to a tablet platform. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.